Hi children, how are you today? Hope you all are doing very well. Okay, so how about the homework given? Are you done with it? If not, please complete it. Okay, so in today's our class we are going to discuss conversations. What is it? Conversations. Okay, so now please open your textbooks, page number 9, conversations, pencils in your hand. Okay, so please you also take your classworks or notebooks that in which you are writing down, so that you can write what I am telling you. Okay, so now let's get started with conversations. So what is a conversation? Conversation means it's nothing but a talk in between two people, like in between two or more people. Okay, it's nothing but exchange of ideas or feelings. Okay, so if you talk to me, if you introduce to me yourself, if I introduce myself to you and we start up talking something else like that, okay, that is nothing but a conversation. Okay, so any discussion or sharing of ideas in between you and your friend is nothing but a conversation. Okay, so any talk about your feelings with your friends or your sisters or your family is nothing but a conversation. So finally our day never ends without a conversation. Okay, so everything we speak to the others is nothing but a conversation. Okay, so once again let me tell you what is a conversation. Conversation means a talk in between two people or more, two or more people. Okay, so here we have a work to do with the conversations. See, look into the page number 9. So here conversation. Read the following conversation and write in the form of a narrative or a story. So this conversation is from our lesson. Okay, let's see what is it about and in between whom this conversation is happening. Okay, so here we find two characters in this conversation. One is Ramakrishna and the other is group of people. People means in common, it is a group. Okay, it mentions a group, collective noun. Okay, so Ramakrishna and people. So Ramakrishna, what is he talking? Good morning gentlemen. People, good morning Raman. Ramakrishna, happy to see you all, but what made you come here? So he is very happy on seeing the people at his home. So he is asking them why are they there at his home. People, you know everything. The emperor appointed Chitravarma as his chief advisor. Ramakrishna, yes, I know. So here we can see that this conversation is going to be about the chief advisor Chitravarma. Okay, so and that is happening in between Ramakrishna and the people. People, the decisions taken by him confused us. So all the people gathered there were confused by the decisions that are taken by the chief advisor Chitravarma. So here these people are complaining about the chief advisor to Ramakrishna. So this discussion is a complaint as well. Okay, so Ramakrishna, yes, I am also thinking about it. People, please do something and save us. So here it also has a request. They are asking him, they are seeking help from Ramakrishna. Okay, see how many feelings are hidden in this conversation. Okay, as I already told you, conversation is nothing but the expression of feelings to others. Okay, so exchange of feelings, of course. Ramakrishna, don't worry, I have an idea. Your problem will be solved. This is an assurance. Okay, so he is telling them that he is gonna solve the problem of the people with an idea. People, thank you Ramakrishna, we know you can do this. So they are glad that Ramakrishna welcomed them and he is going to solve their problem. Okay, so this is the conversation. Generally it happens in between two people. We all know that. Okay, so if you go to a vegetable vendor, there will be a conversation in between you about the price of the vegetables there. Okay, so if you go to buy some chocolates from a shop, then there will be a conversation in between you and a shopkeeper. Okay, so if you want to buy something new, okay, any new dress or any new gadget, there will be a conversation in between you and your parents. So our day is filled with conversations and they are not new to us. Okay, so here what these people are asking us to do with this conversation is that they want us to write this conversation in the form of a story, a narrative. Okay, so here in this conversation we find characters. Okay, a character delivering the dialogue straight away. Okay, but in the narrative or a story we represent the characters in the conversation. Okay, so representing them, we, the third person, like here Ramakrishna and people, we talk about them and we explain, like we narrate the story, narrate the conversation that happened in between the characters. Okay, so your work is to make this conversation into a paragraph, to write it into a paragraph using connective words. Okay, so I hope you will do that and I want you to. Okay, so using all the conjunctions, all the connectives, you should complete this exercise for sure. Okay, so along with this I also request you to make your own conversations, to write your own conversations. Small one is enough. I don't want any lengthy conversation. Okay, a small thing about your new phone, mobile phone. Okay, a conversation between you and your friend about your new mobile phone. Okay, and I'm just giving you an example. Okay, you like as, you can write as you wish. Okay, take a small topic, that is enough. Along with the narrative, they have asked you to write a story, to convert this conversation into a story, but I am asking you to write conversation itself. Okay, so to get an idea, first if you know what is a conversation, then you can write the story very well. Okay, so the second one is, I'll give one more example, right? A conversation between you and your friend about online classes. Discuss about online classes, how you feel, how your friend is feeling, are you okay with this online classes or not. Okay, so it should go like this, ma. You, like your name here and your friend's name here. Okay, okay, in this way, if you are going to join another friend in this conversation, it falls on the number 3. Okay, your conversation should be in that way. Please follow this and write one conversation at least. Okay, so this is all about conversation and I want you to convert this conversation into a story as well. Okay, so here see, good morning gentlemen, people arrived. See, let me give you an idea about how to write. See, one day a group of people arrived at the house or wherever he lives, Ramakrishna lives, at the place of Ramakrishna. They went there to complain about the chief advisor. Who is it? Chitravarma. So on listening to the problem of the people, Ramakrishna promised them that he is going to solve their problem. He will solve their problem with a beautiful idea. Okay, in this way you have to convert this conversation into a story. Okay, I hope you understand all about conversations. Okay, so now if you turn this page, in the next page, that is page number 10, you see here talking time. So this is here in our previous discussion, like conversations, that is all about writing. So on listening to this conversation, you need to write it in the form of a story. But here this is about talking time. Okay, so announcement. So what is an announcement actually? Do you know what are announcements? See here, where do we listen on announcements? Where do you come to listen these announcements? At the bus stations, at the railway stations, at some public places, etc. Yes, of course, we listen any kind of announcements at bus stations, somewhere in malls nowadays. When we visit a mall, we happen to listen some announcement about a missing thing, about a kid missing, okay, about an offer, all this. These days, nowadays, we are listening to announcements in the halls also, I mean malls also, cinema theaters, okay, supermarkets. In these places also these things are happening nowadays. Okay, so let us see here, 3 types of announcements are given in your textbook. Okay, so the first one is, let me read this for you. Okay, your attention please. Train number 17487, the Tirumala Express from Visakhapatnam to Kadapa is arriving on platform number 7. So this is an announcement regarding a train arrival. Okay, so generally we listen to these kind of announcements in railway stations and bus stations as well. So but here the train number is replaced with bus number in bus stations. Okay, these kinds of, I mean in all the languages we listen to these kind of announcements in railway station. And the next one is, a keychain of a car has been found on the platform number 1. Whoever has lost it can collect it from Mrs. Bharati at the counter number 2. So this is about a missing object. As I have already mentioned you, if we miss something in a railway station or a bus station, wherever we go, public places, so these announcements happen. Okay, if they find out the thing, they will announce to let us know that our thing is safe with them. Okay, so that we can go and collect it. That is the purpose of the announcement there. Okay, about the lost object. And the next one is departmental announcement. Mr. Rajshekhar, the electrical engineer, is requested to attend to A4 compartment of a Konark Express immediately. So this is also an announcement made at railway stations, Nana. But in the previous announcement that is made at railway station, that is a general announcement. Okay, that we listen whenever a train arrives, we listen to that. Whenever a train departs, we listen to that. But here this is a request for someone to appear in front of someone else. Okay, these kind of announcements are also made at railway stations. These are 3 different types of announcements. Okay, so if you children, if you have any other ideas that you have heard to any other announcements, you also can try talking out such, I mean speaking out such announcements. Okay, like I did now. You also can repeat this at your home. Okay, see, believe me, it will be a lot of fun to read out the announcements. Okay, so this is our class for today, children. It is about conversation and announcement. Okay, so I request you to be thorough with your grammar part so that we can speak English very well. Okay, if you don't know grammar, we cannot. Grammar is the, I mean like a skeleton to this language. So if we know very well, then it gives us the confidence to speak. Okay, so please don't skip the grammar classes. Okay, as you listen to your lessons, please do listen to the grammar classes as well. Okay, that is more important to you, and also complete the works given to you. Okay, as I have already given you a work about conjunctions, so today I asked you to write a story. Okay, to convert a conversation into a story, and if possible also try to record this announcement, any other kind of announcement that you listen out somewhere when you go out with your parents. You might have heard some announcements, right? So that kind of announcements you can record on your phone and share it with me if possible. So there is no obligation. If you can do this, please do it, but don't miss to write the work which is given. Okay, writing work is must to be done. Okay, so that is up for today, children. We'll meet in our next class, okay, with a new topic. Until then, I want you to be very safe. Okay, so please don't forget to wear your mask, clean your hands and maintain distance. Bye.